Scientists have discovered a paradox in evolutionary biology that may end up becoming a new law and potentially help cure aging. The idea is selectively advantageous instability. You see, not all animals age, but humans do. We have a pre-programmed system in which we go from being young to being old, and in the process, our telomeres start to fall apart. If there's a mutation in the proteins that protect our telomeres, we can end up with diseases like progeria, in which children experience rapid aging in the first few years of life. One of the early proposed solutions to why we age is the grandmother hypothesis, which is that we live to old age past our genetic ability to reproduce so that we can help take care of the next generation. There may, however, be an advantage to the instability that causes us to age and ultimately get cancer. But let's think about animals that don't age for a second, and that includes jellyfish. These little guys could potentially live forever if they didn't end up expiring from predation or disease. Similarly, while jellyfish don't age, neither do crocodiles. They too could continue living, hypothetically, forever. But you may also notice that they look extraordinarily similar to what they did millions of years ago. In fact, an 18-million-year-old crocodile ancestor looks very similar to the crocodiles we have today. This is because animals like this have very sophisticated DNA repair mechanisms that allow them to live indefinitely without aging. This is also why they haven't changed much. They're not experiencing a lot of mutation, so they're not evolving very quickly. This is in contrast to what we see with mammals like dogs. We made chihuahuas in just a few thousand years. Animals like mammals who have rapidly changing environments rely on a certain amount of uncertainty and mutation in order to have successful offspring. The ability to change and have offspring that have different traits than you are is what led to this beautiful proliferation of different kinds of species on Earth. We have the stocky and fluffy cats that live in cold climates. That's a snow leopard, by the way. And the long and sleek cats that live in warm climates. They need to be able to dissipate heat. And of course, those big ears that help them do just that. While we could take the research that we have now to potentially turn off the genes for aging, just remember that your ability to change is coded in there.